school-wide rules, and I actually wanted to show you this. This is on our school website, and this was made by a very special person. Miss Patty took the time to make this presentation, and you can look at this anytime you want to, because like I said, she put it on our school website. And teachers, I'm just gonna send around some LEAP tickets this morning. If you happen to notice someone during the assembly that's doing an amazing job, you can sure give that person a LEAP ticket when you see them. So I'll just start them around here, teachers. All right. So we have those 4 school-wide rules. They are live with. Good. So let's start with that first one. Live with integrity. If you are wearing red this morning, any place wearing red, could you please help us read what this slide says, okay? So we're going to start with what integrity means. Mrs. Simmons will read that part. And then if you're wearing red, you're going to help us read the stars. I'll try. Yes. There, does that help? Okay, here we go. So I will read what integrity means, and then if you're wearing red, you're going to help us with the star part, okay? Integrity means making choices that help you be the best person you can be. Star number 1 is honesty, work ethic, mean what you say and say what you mean, being cooperative. Oh, that C word is courageous, sincere, and creativity and problem solving. Very good. Okay, our next school rule is earn and give respect. And respect means treating others the way you would want to be treated. If you're wearing blue, could you help me with these stars? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Cooperative in groups, listens, acceptance, tolerance. That means that you accept people for who they are. We accept people for who they are. Next one, positive self-esteem. Feeling good about yourself. You have respect for authority, for adults, and you use proper manners. Very good. And our next school-wide rule. Acting responsibly. Responsibility means being dependable and making good choices. Okay? If you are wearing green this morning, help me read these stars. Here we go. Cooperative in groups, independent, having self-control. Oh, say that with me. Self-control. Stewardship just means that you help to take care of your surroundings. And the last one, civic duty. Very good. Okay, our final school-wide rule is what? Practice. All right. What does compassion mean? Compassion means being kind and thoughtful towards others. Let's all read this one together. Here we go. Starting with caring, kind, cooperative, good sportsmanship, loving, acceptance, good humor. Very good. So, I would like to have, first of all, everyone join
as we give Miss Patty a round of applause for making this I have a quick video that I'm going to show you guys about respect, and I want you to listen to these 4 stories. These are very good stories to help us remind us
How we can show respect at school.
Word, respect. Well, I was on the playground, and what did I see? Another kid who wanted to use the same monkey bars as me. I wanted to go first, but I said no after you. Yes, I know respect is the thing to do. RESPECT. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. RESPECT. Treating everybody respectfully. Well, I walked down the hallway, and what did I see? A teacher with quiet students in the classroom next to me. I wanted to be noisy, I had something to say, but I stayed nice and quiet, the respectful way. RESPECT. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. RESPECT. Treating everybody respectfully. Well, I was doing a puzzle, and what did I see? A kid forgot to clean up. Did the teacher even see? I thought that I'd just leave it there, as messy as could be. But then I thought, clean it up. Respect, you see? RESPECT. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. RESPECT. Treating everybody respectfully. Last story. Well, I was with my friends, and what did I see? Someone making fun of kids being a big bully. Now I could have joined in too and been really, really mean, but instead I was extremely nice, respectfully. RESPECT. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. RESPECT. Treating everybody respectfully.
All right. Excellent job listening. Now, Longfellow. Okay. I think we can do this. I really want to try it, okay? Have you ever heard of something called stay seated basketball? No. So we just reviewed our school-wide rules, right? So I would like to teach you how to play stay seated basketball, and I would like to try it. But we have to all agree to follow to at least 10 people, and we'll count together before anybody can shoot it into the basket. Okay? 10 people. Now, is everybody going to get to touch the basketball? No. And is that okay? Yes. Because here's what I'm going to tell you. If we're able to do this, we can do other fun things like this. Again, where you might have a chance to touch the ball, okay? All right. So, when you're passing the ball, and I'm going to show you an example, okay? Riker, can you stand up right there for me? Actually, Riker, let's stay seated. Let's do it the right way. You want to scoot out and sit down. Okay. Now, watch. My rule is pass the ball gently. Okay? Is that passing the ball gently? No. Okay. Is this passing the ball gently? Yes. Okay. And the last rule, you can go back to your seat. The last rule is, if the ball goes out of play, any grown-up can help us put the ball back in play. Okay? So you have a white basket down there, and you have a black basket down here. Okay? We're going to start the ball at this end. Okay? We're going to see if you can get it all the way to the other side and in the hoop, following those rules. Okay? So, I noticed most people are seated. Then, if we make the hoop down there, guess what we're going to do? Come back and try and get it in. Okay? Does anybody have a question? Okay. All right. We're going to start it with you, Oliver. Are you ready? Okay. We're trying to get it down there to the white basket. Oh, do you have a question? Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, Oliver. Throw the ball. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready! Be ready! How many times have we passed it? I think this is 5, 6.
What?
There's 10. You can keep going though. You don't have to shoot it at 10. There's 11.
Lydia, sit down, please.
Well done. Now, next time we'll try and make it a competition. Okay? Thank you so much for being great listeners and doing a great job. I hope some of you get seat tickets this morning because you've shown great character. Well done.